Glacier Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Glacier Wallet app is often described as one of the most secure cold storage solutions in the crypto world. But is it truly practical for everyday users or just overkill? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. Glacier isn't your typical crypto wallet. It's designed from the ground up for maximum security, not convenience. It's a cold storage protocol, meaning your private keys never touch an internet-connected device. This makes it almost immune to hacks, phishing or malware, the kind of threats that have cost investors billions. The Glacier system uses air-gapped devices, offline codes, and multi-signature transactions to ensure your crypto is accessible only through physical access. It even includes detailed, step-by-step security guides that help users set up redundant backups and long-term protection for large holdings. For institutional investors or serious holders, those managing 6 or 7 figures in crypto, Glacier is one of the most trusted systems out there. It's open source and has been vetted by security experts for transparency and reliability. But what about the cons? The biggest one is complexity. Setting up a Glacier wallet isn't like downloading an app and creating a password. It involves multiple offline computers, USB drives, and printed recovery phrases. For the average crypto user, that's far too technical and time-consuming. Another drawback is usability. Because it's offline by design, you can't easily send or swap crypto. Every transaction requires several manual steps, great for safety, but terrible for convenience. And finally, Glacier isn't ideal for small balances. If you're holding less than a few $1,000s in crypto, the setup process simply isn't worth the effort. In conclusion, the Glacier Wallet app is the ultimate fortress for digital assets, but it's not for everyone. The surprising truth? If you want complete peace of mind for large, long-term crypto storage, Glacier is unmatched. But for daily use, simplicity still wins over perfection.